Hello dear students. So in this video we will learn about Scratch. This is my first video of Scratch. In this we will learn about what is Scratch, who developed it and how we will start the work in Scratch. Why we will use that, है ना? These all things we will learn here. So introduction of Scratch. First question is this: what is Scratch? Dear students, Scratch is a programming language. So now question is arise, what is language, programming language? Language, as you know, we are using the language to communicate with others. Same in computer, we use programming language to make a program. So this is the language, programming language to make a program. Who make the program? Programmer make a program. So whomsoever is making the program is called programmer. Now the question arises, what is program? Program is a set of instructions. Like you people get the instruction, first you do this, then after do this, hai na? In same way, like if I am asking to you, you have to now you are in school, now your this special time you have to go to your home. So I'll give you the path, you have to follow this path. First you take left turn, then walk straight, then take again one more left turn, then again one right turn, then you will get your home, है ना? You will reach your home. In this way, follow the instruction is called program. So when this small program are collected, then it's a form of software. So set of instruction is called program and set of program is called software. For software, we want a language. In which language we are writing program? That is called programming language. There are many programming language like C, C++, Java. Here we are learning Scratch. And who developed the program is called programmer. So Scratch is a visual programming environment. That means visual means you can see everything is in front of you, like codes are there, that is called here block in Scratch. Blocks are there, you have to only drag and drop and write the coding for your game. Actually this interesting language, when you learn listen about that na games, I want to explain. In this Scratch you can create a game, you can create animated story, interactive story we can say, है ना? You can create animations, your own animations you can create, and you can share those creations on the web. Now next is the ultimate goal. What is the goal? To help the kids to become fluent with digital media. Like this is the platform. Here you feel like you are playing the game. View the more videos on Scratch, in that you will learn how to make games, how to make interactive stories. So you will enjoy that. Now the question is arise, the first version, who developed the Scratch and where? So the first version of Scratch was developed in 2003 by Kindergarten Group led by Mitchell Resnick at MIT Media Lab. Download, how to download? If you want to work in Scratch, here this is the website I have given, by that you can download in your system. Let's get started. How you will start? Right, to open Scratch, double click on the Scratch. Here this is the cat, it is called cat, this is a sprite, cat icon, and or double click on the scratch.exe file, or you can open like from click on start button, then go to the program, from there also you can open. Getting started with Scratch, when you double click on that Scratch icon, the screen will be look like this. This is the screen. Okay, now I want to give you a quick watch of that Scratch. This window will be there. I want to tell you, like you know, this one is the title bar. Here these are the cursor tools that help you, like for shrink the sprite, for grow the sprite. Many options are there that we will learn slowly. And here this is the block help. You can take the help. Okay. Now this is the view full screen. Here at the left top corner, this is the view full screen. If you click on that, you can see the full screen. These are the menu bar, है ना? This is the menu bar. Different menus are there. This green flag is a play button of that Scratch. Whatever the programming you have done, you want to play that, you can click on that. Okay, if you want to stop that, so click on stop button. This is the stage area where this sprite is. You can see that sprite. This is the stage area. Here you will write the script of your programming. Then according to that programming, this sprite will be moved. Here these are the background, like this sprite is here, background is white. If you want to change the background, so you can change from here. Backdrop icons are there. Okay, this is the sprite list. Whatever the sprite you will take, 1 2 3 4 sprite will come in the list. And this is the list for change. You can change your sprite. If you want, you can create your own sprite. You can take a sprite according to you from the net or whatever you want. Okay, and these are the blocks menu. These play a very important role here. Motion, sense, color, sound or event, many options are there in that block. You have to use these blocks for writing your script. Okay, and these are the blocks palette. These are the blocks menu. This is the block palette. Like I have clicked on motion, so then motion block palettes will come. If I click on event block palettes will come. Okay, so in that way you can do the work. Guys, in my next video we will learn how to work in Scratch, how to develop a program, how to develop a script in Scratch. Thank you.